Hi, this is Prasanna from Wave Academia. Welcome to Matlab Basics Edition. In this video, we are going to discuss how to load the Excel sheet in Matlab. So before we moving on to the Matlab, make sure that whatever the Excel sheet you are loading, that is available in the current folder. I am having 6 Excel sheets, U1, U2, U3 and Y1, Y2, Y3. Actually all these data belongs to vehicle dynamics input and outputs. If you double click U1, will be having 5 inputs. You will be having 5 inputs and almost it consists of 1950 data. Similarly, you will be having the data in U2, U3, Y1, Y2, Y3. Now I am going to load all these Excel sheet in the Matlab. I am straight away moving on to the Matlab. So make sure that that file is loaded in the current folder. This is the first step. Now I am going to open a new script file. Let me save the file. So how to load it? You can use the function called XLS read. So let me take some variable name. Let it be input1. Input1 is equal to XLS read of. So automatically your file name will come. See here it is u1.xlsx. Similarly u2, u3, y1, y2, y3. Provided that if you loaded the Excel sheet in the current folder. Otherwise it won't come actually. Okay. So this is the way you can load it. Simply copy. I'm just changing this inputs. P2. This one is 3. Let me take this as output. This is Y1. And this is Y3. Now if you run the system, all the Excel sheets Y1, Y2, Y3, U1, U2, U3 will be loaded in the workspace. Now you see this. Now the Excel sheets are loaded here. You will be having input 1, input 2 and input 3. Similarly output 1, output 2, output 3. So whatever the data you are having, it will be loaded here. But it is not recommendable to use this XLS read. See here itself it is showing XLS read is not recommended because we use this XLS read in the older version of Matlab. Suppose if you are using a new version of Matlab, instead of this XLS read, you can use the function name called read table. Of course, XLS read will also work, but if you want to upgrade yourself, if you are using an updated version of Matlab, please use, it's recommended to use read table. Likewise, you can change the function. Save it and run it. So everything will be read as a table format. You can see the changes. There is nothing difference between the read table and XLS read. XLS read, it's a older command. Read table, it's a new. We'll be having all the columns with complete data. Okay, so this is the way you can load your Excel data in the Matlab to do your work. I hope this video will greatly help you to how to load the Excel sheet. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries, please drop a mail to this mail. Thank you.